everyone, my name is Leon, welcome to another video. I make content every single day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you are interested, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be sharing with you how you can make a full-time living, basically video editing for YouTubers, and essentially where you can get these clients from. So without any further hesitation, I'm just going to jump right into it. Okay, so on the screen is Upwork.com, the world's biggest freelancer marketplace. And essentially, as you can see right here, what you want to type in is YouTube video editing, right? And this is where you're going to find a huge list of YouTubers or clients that want videos done, well, on a weekly or daily basis, or a monthly basis even. So as you can see, you can, so there we are. I want to edit my videos. If anyone can edit my videos, then you can watch my YouTube video for If you can do that, then I give $60 for one video every day. So that is around, let me have a look. That's around £240 right there. So that's alright, I guess, because at the end of the day, it's one video every day. Essentially, you've got this as well, and this. Hold on. That is sort of a rip-off, actually. There we are. Hi, everyone. I'm looking to add an experienced and creative editor to my team of editors. So $30. 2 to 3 videos per week. So let's just assume that is 3 videos a week. So times that $30 by 12, £360, which is not bad, I suppose. And yeah, and also there are things such as cash cow YouTube channels, so you can search up cash cow video editing. That is looking very nice. I'd ignore that if I were you, because that's posted every single day for no reason. I'm guessing it's a spam. I'm guessing it's spam. So YouTube video expert. I'm working on multiple cash cow channels. I need a YouTube video editor, so you can jump in there. $50 per video length. Not sure. I'm gonna assume that's like 2 videos per week. Again, there we are, and there we are. So essentially, just hit them up on Upwork, and yeah, see if you can get something. And another way of finding these clients is by searching up just like top 10 channels or something. Yeah, just search up top 10 filters, channel, and essentially I'm out with a list of top 10 YouTube channels. So just find one you like and that you think would realistically see your email. And just go on for something like, for example, now, there we are, something like that, top 10 files, come to the About section, and there we are, view business address. I'm not a robot, I'm a fucking human. And essentially just, well, go to that email, there we are. For any matter, please contact at top10youtube@gmail.com. So you just contact the channel there, and essentially just pitch your services. And that's it. And that is essentially how you can make a full-time living editing videos for YouTube channels. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to boost its search rankings to help the channel grow much further. And leave any questions or feedback in the comments section, or message me via Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everybody.